Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the new questions. That is check whether or not the number is a automorphic numbers in Java. So as you can see here, people getting confused about the what is the automorphic number. So let me explain you what is the automorphic number. So automorphic number is basically when you are squaring the numbers, if the last digit of that number are exactly the same as the original number, it is a automorphic number. It means, let's suppose if we have a 5, you want to check that it is a automorphic number or not. Just square these values, like 5 into 5. The numbers of after multiplications 25. As you can see here, last digit of this numbers is 25 is a 5, and the original numbers is also 5. That means it is a automorphic number. So how to implement this in our program? So it's very easy, it's not a big deal. Let's implement that. So first of all, import your main method. Then first of all, we will take the input as a dynamic input. So we just import the scanner as is equal to new scanner system sorry steel system dot in, and after this take sys out and right here enter your number. Then take variables in the square sorry int and represent our numbers is equal to s dot next s dot next into yeah s dot next into uh, oh sorry guys here one equal to, so we just creating the our first variable is n. Second, we need a one more variable, that is square is equal to n into n. This is the multiplication of the our the square of the our actual value, which is the values we have like 5, and the square the multiplication of the values to will store the multiplications of the 5 into 5 is a whatever the numbers you will get, like 25, you will get the 25 here. Then we need our method, so we have to implement that. Let's implement in the class. So as you can see here, this is the class level block. This is the class level block, and this is the main method block. So we just implement the our method inside the class level education. So static int, our name of the method is automorphic automorphic. Okay, and it will take one argument, that is the int, and this is the actual argument, and our method is a type of method is int type method, and the type, and this is the static method, and type of the method is integer type. It will return the int type data. So first of all, here also need one variables as q where a square is equal to n into n, getting the square values inside of a square variables. After this, take one while loop, while n is not equal to 0. What you need to do, just just if n percentile, then not equal to the square percentile, then what you need to return? Return 0 and come out of this if block. And what you need to return? What you have to do? And divide equal to 10, then again and divide equal to 10. So if you remember my previous program, so you know that the percentile is representing the remainder of your method. It means it will be take one value in every iterations. Like first value is 5, it will take 5. Next time it will take 2. So this way of this while loop working when you have percentile 10. And after taking that values, you have to remove that values in the next iterations. So for that, I out of this big block we just writing this our and divide equal to 10. And the next one is in the same time our square should also be remove the one digit and check it is equal to the our last digit of the number or not. So after this, come out of this while loop and return 1. Else you have to return 1. Not equal to return 0 means value is not automorphic. Else you have to return 1 means value is automorphic. See, our method is done now. What we need here just uh, if is automorphic and equal to 1, then this out uh, number plus and plus then comma the square 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 plus print the values of the square plus this concatenate to understand what actually happening in the internal. So for that reason, just concatenate to easily to understand is automorphic. AUTO automorphic number. This is the our first condition. After this method is implemented here now. That method is here. Just checking that if it's equal to, you have to print the number and is a square of this number is automorphic. Else it will not. You have to take one more. Else again this out. Uh, let's print the same thing. Let's copy from here. Control C, Control V. But just here change the is not not automorphic number. Let's run our program and see what we'll be getting. See here what we are seeing, enter your number. Uh, I already told you that I will take that data input from the scanner as a dynamic input. Let's enter the 5 and see what we will get. See number 5 square of 25 is automorphic number. Why? Because the last digit of the number is same as your input of the number. Let's run again and check another one. Let's take the 6 and return. See, number of 6, square of 6 is 36. As you can see, last digit of the number is same as this number. This is the automorphic number. Let's take 7. See, The square of the 7 is 49. And as you can see here, the 9 is not the same as the our actual number. It means it will be not a orthographic number. So this is the way of this programming working. If you might be getting confused here, so don't worry about it. Nothing is confusing here. Just think that let's you have a 5 now. First one is n percentile 10, right? N percentile means 5 you have to divide by 10, and whatever the value we will get, that will be removing in the next situation. Next reminder we will get the that values. But the same thing is if you have a 25, because a square of that 5 into 5 is 25. So the first situation it will remove the 5. Let's if just divide your self by 10 divided by 25, you will get that 10 to the 20, no? Uh, say let's suppose here 20, 20, 20. So 5 minus 0, what we will get? 5. It means it will be removing the 5 in the first iteration. Second iteration, it will take 2 and check it is a automorphic number or not. One more thing, let's remove this. Let's remove this. Uh, See, our loop is starts from the and not equal to 0, means it will check until the 5 itself. It will not checking until the 25. That is why whatever the numbers we have, let's suppose it's 25, we have 5. It will check until the 5 iterations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it's if the actual number is equal to the last digit, it means it will be a automorphic number. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.